celebrate Van Mahotsav in our premise along with our NSS volunteers. And our NSS unit has planned to arouse the awareness among the public. For that purpose, we asked our students to have the saplings. They have grown the saplings, and those saplings will be distributed among the public so that the earth on which we survive will be safer and safest in the futures to come. Thank you.
I'm NSS officer of this high secondary. So we have celebrated this Van Mahotsav day today, and the reason behind it is our Mother Nature Earth. We want to glorify it. We want to make sure that it gets everything, and each one of us, if we plant one tree today, then it is going to make a huge difference, and that is the message we want to spread among our students. And as a part of the campaign, as a part of Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, we have done a lot of activities. The first activity was to make them plant a sapling. They had been preparing this sapling from 1 month, and which they are going to distribute in the market area today, and also plant the saplings. And another activity was poster making and slogan writing. So our students are very enthusiastic about this program, and it is going to be a huge success.
माझे नाव जिया तेंडुलकर. आय एम फ्रॉम सिटी हाय स्कूल कुडचडें. सो आज आमचो वन महोत्सव डे आमी सेलिब्रेट करता बिहाफ ऑफ NSS युनिट. वन महोत्सव दीस हो असो दीस जो आमी ह्या काळाक भरपूर गरजेचो. लोक आतां झाडां कापता, कांयच ते तांकां मना विचार बी येना. डायरेक्ट ती इंडस्ट्री म्हणून बांदपा वता आनी कितें करपा वता, झाडां कापता. तांकां खबर ना मुखार असो जावपाक शकता की ऑक्सिजन ना म्हणून आमी ऑक्सिजन फाटल्यान मारून आमी ते ऑक्सिजन पायप सगळ्या कडेन कॅरी करपाक शकता. कारण झाडां मारली बल्कि एनवायरमेंटाचो इफेक्ट आयलो, ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंग जालें, पोल्युशन जालें तयार, आनी आमचो ऑक्सिजन कमी जायत वतलें. म्हणून आमी हो वन महोत्सव डे आमी सेलिब्रेट केला. आमची सगळे भुरग्यांनी आमी एक सॅपलिंग हाडला, ज्यांनी तांणी स्वता रोवन स्वता व्हडलें करून ते प्लांट केल्ले